Welcome my friends to Spyder Extra. Today we're going to install the Super Sport Grill to my Spyder F3S. Here's a quick look at the stock grill. And this is the grill we're going to put on. First of all, there's 4 screws that we're going to have to remove, and they are located in each corner. So first, we're going to take out the 4 screws. Now I'm going to show the location of the screws again. As you can see, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now I'm going to use a screwdriver with a bit. This is a T25 star bit. So I'm going to remove 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. Now after you take out the 4 screws, as I have, you can see how it pulls down. You have to remember, because you don't want to break anything, underneath on each side there are 1 tab here and 1 tab underneath. And you just have to reach under there and you press in on the tabs and it'll pull off. Just like it did there. Press on the other side. And there you go, it comes right off. All right, now we'll get ready to put the new one in. Before I put the new one in, I just wanted to show you a little bit of comparison between the two. There's the stock. And there's the Super Sport. A lot beefier, it looks like. A lot more sporty, obviously. So we'll go ahead and get it on and really see the difference. Also, before installing the grill, I just want to make you guys aware of the difference in screw sizes. New screw, old screw. Huge difference. I am taking the washers off the small screws, put them on the large screws. That's about the only change. That's about the only hardware I'm using from the old ones. So now we'll go ahead and put it on. When you're installing the new grill, make sure, see the very top has the 4 tabs. There are 4 places for each tab to go into, right under the hole. You can see them. So make sure those all slide into the right places. And again, on the bottom, you'll have little lock tabs to make sure those lock in. All right, guys, the new grill is in. It took some fiddling, maneuvering, a little bit of frustration, but it did get in. Just be careful not to break any tabs. Make sure when you do tighten the screws that you don't over tighten them. You don't want to break any of the plastic. So I'm going to pan all the way out here and you guys can let me know in the comments. What do you think about it? How's it look? Me personally, I think it makes it look a lot more powerful, muscular. Overall pretty nice. This is a genuine Canadian product. At their website it was around $400, but I got it on eBay through a company I dealt with before for $340. As always, remember BRP. They don't really have instructions, but you can download an app that takes you to like their library of instructions for anything they have. So there you go. Can't wait to see it on the road. Thanks, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe, and have a great night.